Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we insert or how can we write mathematical equation or formulas in Microsoft Word document. Now to enter mathematical equations, you have to click on insert. Now just after clicking on insert, there in the last option you will see there will be an option for equations. You can use this arrow, and when you click on this arrow, a list of pre-uploaded formulas, pre-uploaded equations will be shown here. As you can see here, area of circle, binomial theorem, okay, 4 series. Now if you want to add it on your Word document, you can directly click on that and this will be applied. Or you want to create your own equation, okay, you want to enter something which is not present here. So for that, you will again click on insert, click on equations. Now this design box appears. Okay, a new tab will be created by the name of design, which is a equation tool. Now you can use these symbols to write your own formula. You can use these scripts to give a structure to your formula. Okay, if you want to add p by q form, then you have here factors, okay, radicals, integrals, brackets, okay, accents, matrix. Great. So this way guys, you can create your own formula or you can enter the pre-created equations in Microsoft Word document. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and please subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.